Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you 5 websites where drone pilots can get last mile independent contractor work. They have the potential to make up to $300 per day. So let's jump into it. The first website we're going to talk about is called Bees 360, and they specialize in drone-enabled property inspections. They are always looking for drone pilots, but they're called bees inspectors. So to get started, we'll click on bees inspectors, become a bees inspector. And it'll bring us to this page here. We're going to scroll down. And who is Bees 360? Bees 360 covers 48 states, and they're transforming the traditional property claim and underwriting industry by using drones and AI. As a bees inspector drone pilot, you're a critical part of the loss control and damage evaluation process for insurance carrier partners. You will fully be trained and certified in the property claim and underwriting inspection process. Okay, let's scroll down. So why inspect? Pretty much, these are the 6 points that they make. Really self-explanatory. Okay, so here's the important part. How to fly with the hive. So your requirements are going to be, you must have a FAA Part 107 license. You must have a compatible drone. You must have drone insurance and consent to a background check. To get started, you're going to download the Bees Pilot app, complete your profile, schedule online training, which is free. Then you're ready to fly, Bees 360 certified. You're going to complete a field test, then submit your badge information. Now we'll scroll down. Now how to inspect. You're going to set your availability. You're going to accept jobs, inspect and upload the artifacts, and then you'll get paid. And they have their testimonies. Okay, so I did a little digging. And of course, we want to know how much drone pilots make at Bees 360. So according to Indeed, the average salary is $245 per day. But on the low end, that could be $190 a day. And on the high end, $316 a day. So we scroll down, there's some related job openings. But let's get to the reviews. They seem to be a little mixed. The highs and lows, it's rated 2 by this person, 4, and then 3. So this person says it's an inconsistent amount of jobs and low pay for each job. But if you can stay busy, you can make some decent money. So you can pause to read the screen. Okay, the second site we're going to look at is called Fly Guys. Now, they are a nationwide drone pilot network, and they're looking for beginner drone pilots and pilots who have years of experience. However, you will need your Part 107 license. To register, you will click this button. But for the purposes of this video, we will not click it because we're not going to register. I'm just explaining how to get started. So we're going to scroll down. What is required to be a pilot with Fly Guys? As I've mentioned, you'll need a Part 107 license. How do they work? Once you have an account, you will be eligible to receive jobs. A majority of the work they do is with contract pilots in their network. When they have a job in your area, they will reach out to you. How do you get more drone work? This is important. You have to make sure your portal and equipment is up to date. as well as your certifications. You have a better chance of receiving a call. What is the average pay? Well, it's around $100 per hour. And what are the most active industries? So, engineering, construction, real estate, and solar energy is huge. Now, which drones are most popular amongst the pilots? The Mavic 2 Pro and the Phantom 4 Pro. And are they in need of pilots in specific areas? They're always looking to expand their reach. So, in my mind, that means yes. And do they hire full-time pilots? They have in-house pilots, but they don't hire full-time pilots very often. So they're not saying no, they don't. So you can be on the lookout if you're looking for a full-time position. The third site we're going to look at is called Drone Genuity. And they are looking for drone pilots. Says get paid to fly your drone. They're looking for reliable and skilled drone pilots to capture aerial images for their clients. If you own a drone and interested in earning extra money as an independent contractor, this opportunity will be perfect for you. So you'd click here to apply. Now, the requirements that you're going to need: you're going to need a drone and a camera. You must own and operate a registered drone. It can be a DJI Phantom, Mavic, or Inspire Series, Unique, Parrot, 3DR equivalent, or better. Um, they like reliability, as I mentioned. They're looking for remote pilot certified drone pilots. So they're looking for people who can operate, or drone pilots who can operate under Part 107 remote pilot certification or under Section 333 exemption. Their compensation varies by client and they pay via PayPal. Now, they're also looking for drone trainers. They're accepting applications from skilled, knowledgeable, and experienced drone pilots who can communicate their know-how to students. If this is you, click here to apply. This looks like a pretty good opportunity. The fourth company is called Hovertech. They're looking for experienced drone operators to join their team. It's the perfect opportunity for someone who loves flying drones and is interested in making some extra money as an independent contractor. The requirements are: you will need a drone with a camera, you need to be reliable, you have to have your Part 107 remote pilot certification, and the compensation will vary based on the scope of the missions that you complete. They pay within 7 business days of all completed projects. Now, if you're interested in this, you will click the Apply Here button. How it works: once you apply and you're accepted, you will review the mission, you'll accept it, you'll fly the mission, and then you'll get paid. It's really simple. Now, the drone pilot application. You'll have the opportunity to earn extra money by flying your drone. You will need to own and operate a registered drone capable of capturing pictures and video in 4K quality or better. As I mentioned, you'll need Part 107, and that's pretty much it on Hovertech. So if you're looking to be an independent contractor and make some extra money, this may be for you. The fifth website is called droners.io, and here's where you sign up. Now, droners.io is an online marketplace to connect pilots with clients, and those clients will purchase your services. So basically, you'll fill out this form. It's pretty self-explanatory. First name, last name, email address, and you're going to enter a password. Are you a client or a pilot? You're a pilot. Scroll down, then you're going to click sign up. Okay, so after you sign up, on the flip side, this is how it's going to look. So those clients looking for drone pilots, they'll come here, they'll post a job. And pretty much this is how it works for them. They post a job, they hire a pilot, which is probably you, and then review the pay. But this is what it's going to look like after you fill out that form. Your profile will be here, right? Your average rate of pay, your license number, your insurance coverage. And this is what clients will see.